Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, The Cucinera at its Finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto na naman po kasama ako. So tara na! Let's start cooking! For today's video, tayo po ay magluluto ng kinamatisang tilapia with tausi. For the ingredients, of course, we have tilapia. So, ito lang po ang meron ako, yung tiyan na part papunta sa buntot. But if you want to use whole tilapias for this recipe, okay lang po yun. Depende po yun sa inyo. So, titimplahan po natin ito ng asin para ready na po siya for frying. Now that our oil is hot, I'm gonna pan fry our tilapia, but it's up to you if you want it deep fried. Ang importante lang naman dyan is maprito natin yung ating tilapia. Now that the tilapia is cooked, we are going to set it aside and we will start preparing our sauce made out of tomatoes and tausi. So, sa parehong mantika, binawasan lang po natin ito. Magigisa po tayo ng luya. Pampatanggal po yan ng lansa ng ating isda. And we will also saute it with garlic and onions, ang ating trio sa Filipino cooking: luya, bawang, sibuyas. Now, once you start smelling the aroma of your ginger, garlic, and onions, ilalagay na po natin yung kamatis. Tinanggal ko po yung buto para po hindi siya madaling mapanis. Nakasanayan ko na po yon. Igigisa lang po natin yung ating kamatis and tatakpan po natin yung ating pan para po mabilis siyang lumambot. Now, this is tausi, your fermented salted black beans. Now, meron po yung liquid na napakaalat and isi-strain po natin yun. While we are preparing for our beans, I'm adding water to our sauce and continuously po nating isi-simmer ang ating sauce hanggang sa nadudurog-durog na po yung ating kamatis. Next step, we will add our tausi na ni-strain natin yung liquid niya. We will incorporate that and continue to cook that with the sauce. Durugin po natin yung ibang beans and tikman na po natin kung okay na po sa panlasa natin. Now, since maasim yung kamatis, medyo na-cut down niya yung saltiness ng ating beans, I'm adding patis to this to add a little more saltiness in the flavor. And then we're gonna season it with MSG pampasarap, and freshly cracked black pepper. Our sauce is done at this point. Pwede na po nating ilagay yung ating fried tilapia. So, you're just gonna add your tilapia on top of the sauce and you can scoop more sauce on top of the tilapia para po talagang manuot yung lasa ng ating sauce sa ating tilapia or fish. And then, this is ready for you to serve. So, there you have it mga kakusina, ang kinamatisang tilapia with tausi. Hope you like this recipe and see you again on the next video. Bye now!